Welcome to complete SQL tutorial video series. So I already covered the lots of video for the SQL server and the SQL Server Management Studio. I already covered the you can install the SQL Server and how you can install a real-time database and the SQL languages, the constraint and indexes. So we already covered around 23 video. So if you not get a chance, just you can go and watch all the video. So now I'm going to start with this new which is the SQL a built-in function which is the very important for the interview as well as the real-time point of view. Each and every topic is important, but some topic which is the more we have the weightage. So what is the exactly SQL built-in function? So we already have the some built-in function available in the SQL server. So that is also called the system defined function or system function. So as per your requirement you can use that function and you can use. So next around 5 to 6 video which is the totally based on the SQL and built-in function, and I will cover all the built-in function one by one, like aggregated function, datetime function, string function, conversion function, ranking function, and I also covered some more type of the lead lag, that is the window function is there. So in detail I provide the complete information and complete of this built-in function. So in this video I'm going to discuss about the aggregated function. So aggregated function is come under the average, count, max, min, sum and group by clauses. So let's start with what is the exactly the aggregated function is there. Okay, so what is the aggregated function? So in the same we learn in mathematics, that is the find the summarized value and which is the called the aggregated function. So aggregated function are built-in SQL Server function, and aggregated function are applied to a set of record. So it always applied to a set of record, that is the more than one record rather than a single record. And aggregated function perform a computation on a set of value rather than on a single value. And aggregated function used to summarize the data. Always the aggregated function are used to summarize the data, and aggregated function perform a calculation on a set of value and return a single value. Okay, so what is the aggregated function? We have the average, we have the count, we have the max, we have the minimum, we have the sum. So this is the all the part of the aggregated function. So let's jump with the SQL Server Management Studio and learn how we can apply the aggregated function. So suppose I have this table, that is the dim customer table is there, and if you have the requirement to find the average value of the yearly income, okay, what is the average yearly income of the customer? So you can use the select and you can put the AVG, and that is the inbuilt function, and you can put the within the bracket the column name and the table name. So you will get the complete average yearly income of the in the dim customer table. So we have the average yearly income is 57305,779. Since this is the aggregated value, so with the any aggregated function, if you use the other column, like we have the first name around 18,000 record is there. So if you combining with the single value to the 18,000 record, it will throw an error. Okay, so if you execute this part of the code, you can see some error is coming. Column dim customer first name is invalid in the select list because it is not contained in either an aggregated function or the group by clause. So if you want to include it, always you need to include into the aggregated function or the group by clause. So suppose I want to gender. So group by clause is basically used the grouping the data. So if suppose if you have two type of the group, male and female, and if you want to find the separate yearly income, average yearly income of male and separate average yearly income of female, then you can use the group by clause. So once you execute this one, you will get the separate average yearly income of the male and separate average yearly income of the female is there. So after the, if you using the function, after that you need to put the as the column alias name. If you remove this column alias name, you will get some of these no column name is there. So while you displaying the data, always you give the some alias name, so you will get some column name in the output. Okay, so you can see the average by gender is coming. Same, if you want to yearly income for the marital status and the gender both, so you can use the two columns, so you will get the total 4 output. Okay, so sorry, yeah, 4 output is there, one for male and male, single and male, and single and female, and male and female. So you will get 4 output. So you can include the multiple column in a group by clause. Now if you have the requirement to count the number of the value, you can use the count function, and if you select this one, you can use the within the count. We have the total, how many customer is the married and how many customer is the single. If you have the question like this, you can use the count function. Within the bracket you can put the customer key. In place of the customer key, you can also put the star, so you will get total number of the count. So total 8473 have the single customer, and 1001 have the male customer is there. So if you want to find the total value, just you can put the table level, that is the 184. Same like if you have the requirement to find the maximum value, so what is the maximum value of the yearly income of male and what is the female is there, so both have the same maximum value, male and female. If you have the requirement to get the minimum value, you can use the min function, so you will get the minimum value of the each female. So entire female we have the total 10,000 is the minimum value for the both male and female. Same way, if you have the requirement to find out the sum of the total income, okay, you can use the sum function, which is will give the total sum of the yearly income, like 52396 0000 is the female, and for male we have the 535228 0000. So if you want to find out the complete in the table level, you can just use the sum of the yearly income without using the group by clause. So this is the sum of the complete sum of the, that is the addition of the yearly income in entire table level. So this is the all about the aggregated function. So in the aggregated function we have the one more concept is there, that is the having clause and where clause. In what situation you will use the having clause and what situation you will use the where clause. So I will discuss in next video in the detail. So thank you so much for the watching this video, and again meet in next video. Thank you so much.